Christy here, and this month we are focusing on our universal hat and scarf looms in all the gauges, and I'm going to do a tutorial on how to set it up for different kinds of projects. Universal hat and scarf looms in any gauge comes with a wedge. It will either be a single peg wedge for the 5/8 or a double peg wedge for the 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch loom. This wedge also comes with a washer and a bolt, and you want to put it in so it's facing out, the opposite way of the end of your loom when you're making it. And then you put the washer on the loom, and then you add your bolt, and you just put it wherever the number of pegs are that you need to do. And if you need to do an increase or a decrease, you can loosen it and move it so you can also do increasing and decreasing on your project. So if you want to set up your universal hat and scarf loom for a hat, if you use the entire thing, it will be for a large adult hat. This is set up here for a 48 peg hat, which is just a regular adult. I made this hat, which is Melissa Bies's basket weave hat, on this loom. And the great part is I can also choose to make a hat for a child or a young adult just by moving my wedge to the size and number of pegs that I need. And every loom comes with a diagram that tells you about how many pegs you need for a different size hat for different age children. So one wedge comes with every universal hat and scarf loom. If you would like extra wedges in order to do 2 projects at the same time, you can order them in accessories, and they're $5 a piece. The 5/8 universal hat and scarf loom, and I'm setting it up with 2 wedges in order to make 2 gloves. This is one of my favorite patterns by Joanna Brandt, and it's a fingerless glove loom, and it's just a really fun pattern and makes beautiful gloves, and it takes 20 pegs. So I use 2 of my wedges and set it up so that I have 20 pegs in a circle, both on the bottom and the top part of my loom. And the peg, the groove, is facing the inside, so it completes my circle, just like if it was a round loom, and the outside edge of that round loom, your groove would be on the outside. And that's how to set up your universal hat and scarf loom when you're making different projects using the wedges. Until next time, happy looming!